Hi, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to our channel. So exclusively for today's review, we bring the Fluidized bed biorector to our studio for our dearest viewer. We also have our FBR developer Dr. Diana from EDA Tech Company with us today. Hi! So Dr. Diana, can you introduce yourself and briefly share the information regarding the FBR?
First and foremost, thank you for having me today. I'm Diana, an engineer from EDA Tech Company. I am specialized in designing bioreactors with 10 years experience.
I see, Doctor. Wait, Doctor, we have one call from the customer.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. May I confirm if this is from the iLab channel?
Hi and good afternoon. Yes, miss. Are you interested in our new bioreactor machine?
Yeah, I am very interested, but I want to know more about its special features, mechanism, and also its application.
So, Dr. Diana, the customer want to know the application and its mechanism and its special feature about the fluidized bioreactor. Can you explain about it?
Oh, sure. Let me explain more about it. FBR is a type of bioreactor device that can be used to carry out a variety of multi-phase chemical reactions. In this type of bioreactor, a fluid, which is gas or liquid, is passed through a solid granular material at high enough velocities to suspend the solid and cause it to behave as though it were a fluid. This process, known as fluidization, imparts many important advantages to FBR. As a result, the fluidized bioreactor is now used in many industrial applications. FBR generally operated in co-current flow. The particles used in FBR are of three different types, which are inert core on which biomass is created by cell attachment. Second, porous particles in which biocatalyst is absorbed. And the last one is cell aggregates. Solid substrate material in FBR, which is the catalytic material upon which chemical species react, is typically supported by a porous plate known as distributor. The fluid is then forced through the distributor up through solid material. As the fluid velocity increases, the reactor will reach a stage where the force of the fluid on the slides is enough to balance the weight of solid material. This stage is known as incipient fluidization and occurs at this minimum fluidization velocity. Once this minimum velocity is surpassed, the contents of the bioreactor begin to expand and swirl around much like an agitated tank. A bed of immobilized enzymes is fluidized by rapid output flow of substrate in a combination with liquid or secondary fluid stream. Depending on operating conditions and properties of solid phase, various flow regimes can be observed in this bioreactor. For more understanding, you can watch this video that is prepared. Well, I hope the video just now will help your understanding on this bioreactor. And theoretically, fluidized bed bioreactors are a great option for every exothermic processes. Fluidized bed bioreactors offers a much higher efficiency in heat exchange compared to fixed beds and better temperature control due to turbulent gas flow and rapid circulation. At the same time, smaller catalyst particles may be used since there are no problems with pressure drop due to high gas velocities as opposed to the fixed bed bioreactor. To satisfy the client's inquiry, fluidized bed bioreactors play a huge role in biological wastewater treatment in large-scale industries. Generally, fluidized bed bioreactors are used in preparation of wastewater in order to reduce the cost and demonstrate cost-effective preparation for wastewater containing recalcitrant pollutants. Although the application of fluidized bed bioreactors in biological wastewater treatment is well established, with many large-scale plants in existence, its application in advanced oscillation processes is most laboratory scale. Fluidized bed bioreactors are the most popular configuration employed from the laboratory to the commercial scale. These bioreactors are widely used in petroleum and chemical processing industries. Moreover, anaerobic fluidized bed bioreactors in modern generation are used as anaerobic platforms to achieve high strength and also for high solid waste streams like corn ethanol tin stillage and sludge of municipalities.
Wow, well explained, Dr. Diana. So, Dr. Diana, it can be concluded that fluidized bed bioreactor have a huge impact both on small scale and a large scale industry. It also has a great potential in a variety of bioprocess due to both their inherent benefit.
Yes.
Thank you for our dear customer, because today, our new bioreactor that introduced by Dr. Diana have been sold in 100 units. Thank you. So I think that's all for today's review channel. Thank you, Dr. Diana, for coming to our studio.
Yes, thank you too for inviting.
And thank you, viewers.
For stay tuned until the end.